Having trouble with your car key or Immobiliser? Welcome to GEM Electrical and Mechanical Repairs. We provide professional vehicle key programming and Immobiliser diagnostic services across Birmingham and the wider West Midlands. Whether you need a new car key programmed, a spare key added, help after losing your keys, or a remote key fob that no longer locks or unlocks your vehicle, we can diagnose the system and provide the appropriate solution for compatible vehicles. Our services include car key programming, spare car key programming, lost car key replacement support, and remote key fob programming. We also diagnose Immobiliser faults, including key recognition problems, Immobiliser warning lights, and vehicles that refuse to start because the security system cannot correctly recognize the key. Using professional diagnostic and programming equipment, we can communicate with vehicle control modules, check key and Immobiliser status, and carry out programming or module support where appropriate. We also provide specialist key, Immobiliser, and module support for BMW, Mercedes, and VAG vehicles, including Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, and Skoda. Our aim is to find the fault accurately before unnecessary parts are replaced. So whether you need another key, have lost your existing key, have a faulty remote fob, or your vehicle is displaying an Immobiliser or key recognition fault, contact GEM Electrical and Mechanical Repairs. Call or WhatsApp 073 0007 614 or visit gemrepairs.co.uk. GEM Electrical and Mechanical Repairs. Professional vehicle key programming and Immobiliser diagnostics across Birmingham and the West Midlands.